Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Thank you for stopping by and spending this time with me as I do a final video for the month. I wanted to close my month out with some fun goodies I got from eBay. I have a Vera Bradley in here somewhere. Couple of Mickey Mouse stuffies that my daughter wanted, so I ordered them from eBay, and I got them for really good prices. So I hope you enjoy this fun little eBay haul and Vera Bradley video. So this one, my daughter already ripped into it, so let's just rip it open. I think I saw a couple of these on Didi's channel, and my daughter was looking them up, and I was like, I know what those are. I saw them on YouTube with one of my friends, and she's like, yeah, I want some. And of course I went on eBay, and crazy offers, and the sellers took them. So I'm happy to say, yeah, my daughter got some of these. And once I start doing like displays, of course I'll be putting some of these on there. I don't really know much about them, so this first one is Mickey Mouse. I have no idea what it says, what series it's from. I'll put it here for you guys to see. So originally this sold for like $39. I got it on eBay for like $5 and some shipping. So all the items I got here were less than $10 besides the Vera Bradley. So this is the first one, guys. Look how cute this is. I think this is the one that Didi showed, but it's like a denim Mickey, and I don't know much about this collection, so it's new, and I have a couple more in my shopping cart, so I just want to see what they look like in person before I get more. But I think it's really cute. What do you think? So a denim Mickey. I think I won 2 of these, so there might be another one coming. I don't know if one of these is a duplicate, but look how cute. He's gonna sit right here with the Vera Bradley dolls. I have a lot of these Vera Bradley teddy bears as well. I don't know if you can see them. I'll put it up for them. So once I unpack and start displaying, you'll see my other collections. So that's one. Very nice. It came in this bag. Very pleasant transaction on eBay. You can find these on eBay, guys. They're very cheap. Make some offers, they take them. So all my offers went through, so I'm happy with them. Oh, this one she cut open too. Okay. At least she left them for me to show you guys, and then she's gonna come take them. Okay. Oh, that's adorable. So this one is from the same. Yeah, it's from the same collection. So this guy is like a brown curly. Reminds me of my little doggy. Oh, curly. I miss him. And again, this one was like $39 if you buy it from there. I don't know if these are like retired or what collection they are. Sorry guys. I got them because my daughter wanted them, and I thought they'd be cute to show for my Mickey Mouse fans. So here we have 2. So a denim one, and this one is very soft and squishy. I don't know what this is called. It looks like a little lamb. But it's adorable. So that's number 2. The last thing we'll open will be the Vera Bradley for my Vera Bradley friends here. I know I haven't been able to do a lot of my Vera Bradleys because most of them are packed, but I am picking up more pieces as I go throughout my days. So if I get anything new like this one, I will show you guys. But as soon as I get into a routine, I am going to be doing, of course, Vera Bradley Kipling at least once a month as when I start doing scheduled content. I can't wait. This one came in a little baggie. Oh wow, it's a Mickey Mouse baggie. I think this is the baggie it came from. I think this is a AE. Are these American Eagle? Probably. Not sure. Like I said, I don't know anything about them. This one's adorable. Look at this plaid. Oh my lord. Look at that. Again, it's the same collection. I think they are American Eagle. Should I attempt to even read this? Nope. Can't even see anything on it besides the 39. But yeah, I did not pay that at all, guys. Like I said, you can find a lot of these on eBay. That's where I got them. Brand new with tags, as you can see, guys. That's adorable. Very adorable. 3 different kinds. Look at that. I think the plaid is probably my favorite so far. But yeah, got them for my daughter and actually for our displays. She has a great display going in her room. I can't wait to show you guys my daughter's collection, because she's almost getting up there in the numbers like her mom with the bags and her collections. Isn't this adorable? These are about size wise, I'm gonna say like 11 to 12 inches. They're very lightweight, soft and squishy. New with tags, guys. Found them on eBay. Go take a look. This one even came with the little baggie. That's cute. Nice one here. Oh, I should have popped this open. Anyway, thank you so much for spending this time with me, guys. Please, if you are new here, subscribe, because a lot of fun things are coming up. I know I'm a little behind on schedule of what I wanted to do, where I should have been already, but a lot of stuff happened and it's out of my control, so I'm just going with it. Look at this one. This one I picked, and there's a whole collection of this one. I think it's a little different from that one. I have a couple of these different kinds in my cart too. I think I'm gonna go pull the trigger. So this one says Mickey Mouse, the main attraction, 7 out of 12. And it comes with this tag. Look how cute. I think this is Prince Charming. Look at this. How adorable is he? Fully dressed to the max in his beautiful attire. Yeah, it says Mickey Mouse, the main attraction, series 7 of 12. Ooh, I think that's a challenge. Yes, can I get all 12? I think I can. So yeah, this one's a little bit bigger. Look how adorable. I do believe this is Prince Charming. I have a couple in my cart. I was just waiting for this one to see what it is. 50th, I guess, anniversary. I don't think these are new. I do believe these are from a couple of years ago. I can't read any of that, guys, but here you go. But yeah, Prince Charming. How adorable. Love it. Love it. Yeah, my daughter is gonna enjoy all of these. And what a nice box. Look at that. Here. Now, to our Vera Bradley. I won this. It's 2 pieces new with tags. I think I bid under $10. And it was an auction and nobody else bid. I was like, okay, I guess I won. Yeah, I'm always, when I can't sleep, guys, I am on eBay. I always like to find new with tags, because that way, if I don't know what they are, like these, I can look them up. It's easier for me to research. I can't believe I won this. That is supposed to be 2 pieces. I wonder if the other one is in there. It says, oh, it's, oh, how nice. There's a prayer on there. How cute is that? Our Father in Heaven. It's the Lord's Prayer. That is beautiful. Okay, so it says weekly listings starting at 99 cents. That's so sweet. Okay. So here it is, guys. My new Vera Bradley. It's a wallet. Comes with this strap that is removable. It's all gray. I love that. It could be a little crossbody. It is adjustable. All solid gray. So I have a couple of those solid colors now. I'm thinking I should get more of the solids. Oh, it is 2 pieces. Okay. So inside here, look, it's solid gray. And then on the inside is the pattern. It does have a tag. So here's Vera Bradley Outlet Store. And this one is a wallet crossbody. Yeah, and it's medium heather gray. That's what it's called. I guess it was $79. No, no way. I'm a bargain hunter. I have to. With my spending and collecting, I can't pay full price for anything. Full price is a bad word in our house. No. Look at that. It has opening here, opening there. It has 6 card slots. Sorry about my nails, guys. I am on a mission to grow out my nails, and I was doing so well. 3 months I didn't bite my nails. I was so good, and then stress just overtook me, and I did at night, and I woke up in the morning going, what did you do, Tera? But I'm trying to go back, but it's hard. It's a bad habit. I've been biting my nails my whole life. There you go. And this is the zipper compartment. So it's 3 compartments. Really nice. Very lightweight. Heather gray. Wallet crossbody. And it comes with this. So if I want to use this as an actual purse, I have this as a little wallet. It did come with it. I think it is a matching piece. And this one says ID case, I believe. Yeah. Okay. Vera Bradley Outlet. It has a little hook that you can put it on your keys. Lovely zipper. Zipper matches. Love that. I'm loving these solid colors. I've never been a gray kind of person, but I am starting to love it since I used my mom's gray bag. I've started loving it. Look at that. It's so beautiful. So it's 2 openings on the inside. Very simple, very little shopping haul here for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this cute little unboxing of my sleep shopping on eBay. I think this is adorable. Yeah, if you like Mickey Mouse, guys, you don't have to pay those enormous prices at Disney. Go to eBay, look for new with tag, or if you're not interested with the tag, like new, you get really good prices. I mean, $39. I want to say I didn't pay more than $10 for this guy. The highest price was the $10 was this one. The rest of these were all $5, $6. With the shipping is like $4 or $5. So yeah, under $13, $14. Brand new with tags. I mean, really. For my daughter, she wanted to get them, and I will be using them also. They're so cute. Wow. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, hit that notification, like, come follow me on Instagram. I am a lot more active on Instagram, guys. I will post on Instagram before something is posted here, because this one takes a little longer for me. Sometimes I can't get the videos up. I have to wait for my son, so that's why I'm not able to be so active. But Instagram is easy for me. Very easy. I point, shoot, and upload. So yeah, come follow me there if you want to see more of my daily stuff. Thank you to everyone who watched and spent this time with me. I will link both my Instagrams on the bottom, and share if you like. So yeah, my little haul, guys. eBay haul. Vera Bradley and Mickey's. And that's it for today. Please like, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.